Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with the assistance of Bootstrap. So friend, in previous video I have left my work after making this div and assigning it a class padding-nav. So from this video I shall begin my work inside this div. So I make one UL tag, inside it UL start and UL close. And I assign it a class nav space navbar dash nav space navbar dash left. Now I comment it, I copy this and paste it here inside the comment stars. I copy this whole comment and paste it at the closing UL. And here I write ends. So I make li tag inside the UL, li start and li close. And I assign a class to this li active. I make one anchor tag inside this li. Ahref is equal to double quotes, and here I shall define a link index.php, our main home page, home, and I write home inside the first li. Now the second li start and close. I make one more anchor tag inside the second li. Ahref is equal to double quotes, and it will be our second page. Shop.php, this page also will be made in next few videos, and here I write shop. Then I copy this whole li and I paste it more 2 times because 2 more pages are yet to make. 3 times 3 more pages will be made. So here I change my count and also I change the address. Checkout.php, cart.php, and here I write shopping cart. Now the last one is contact.php, and here I write contact us. And now I go out of this closing div of padding-nav ends. This is the closing div of padding-nav. I show you it is starting point. This is it is starting point. And I have made this UL, and inside the UL I have made these li tags and anchor tags. And now I come out of this padding-nav ends and I make one anchor tag outside of it, and I assign a class to it. Class is equal to btn space btn dash primary. This button color will be primary. Navbar dash space navbar dash btn space right. Ahref is equal to double quotes cart.php. Page link has been given here. So now I comment it. I copy this class and paste it here. Here I write stars. Now once again I shall copy this class, this comment, and paste it at the closing anchor point, anchor tag. And here I write ends. So I make one I tag inside this anchor tag, and I assign a class to it, class fa space fa dash shopping cart. Shopping cart icon will be shown over the browser. Now I make one span tag, span start and span close. Inside the anchor tag I have made this span tag, and here I write 4 items in cart. Just as a dummy text I have written here because I am just making this theme in HTML5 5.0. So now I come out of this anchor tag. When I shall make it dynamic, then all this text will be removed, and I have made one div tag out of this anchor tag. And I assign a class to this div tag, navbar dash collapse. Collapse space right. Now I comment this div also. I copy this class name and paste it inside the comment. And here I write starts. Now once again I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. And here I write ends. I make one button tag inside this div, button start and button close. Now I assign a class to this button. btn space navbar dash btn space btn dash primary. I define it as type is equal to double quotes button. Data dash toggle space double quotes collapse. Data dash target is equal to hash id. I am assigning an id. Friend, I have also made this id above. I show you. This is that id. This id will be used for small devices, and this id will be used for the full screen preview. So I shall also call this id down. Because two different icons will be shown on two different screen sizes. Now I make one span tag, span space class is equal to sr dash only, and here I write toggle search. Its s should be capital. Now I make one I tag, I start and I close, and I assign a class to it, fa space fa dash search. So now I come out of this div. So friend, I press Ctrl S to save, and if I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page, so you can watch that this search icon is being shown here, and all these home buttons, home, shop, my account, shopping cart, contact us, and these 4 items in cart, little button, and there is an icon, cart icon inside this button is also being shown over this Chrome browser, over this theme. And if I decrease its sign, then you see that there is a smaller search button, search icon is being shown here. So I have done my work till this level. I come back in next video and I shall begin my work ahead of this navbar dash collapse right end. So I see you in